Hello everyone, it's 3rd February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have India-US have a deal, 50% tariff cut to 18%. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Rahul raises XRB chief's unpublished book on India-China standoff triggers row. Then we have growth remains priority, looking at more PSU divestment, says Finance Minister. Then we have Delhi government to SC, Apollo refusing to treat poor auction recommended. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have Sector 150 tragedy, Noida focus on roads, out of line builders, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have private school fee law now kicks in next year, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have new road link across Yamuna on the table, could be near Lohapur or Signature Bridge, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have individual taxpayers, biggest beneficiary of tax deductions claimed on political donations, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have 16th finance panel, exit clauses must for cash transfer schemes, again very important. Then we have Bangladeshi or not, documents from 2 states, Rafiqul awaits at sea call, again very important for a security perspective. Then we have the rocky 12-month journey to a deal, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have jumping hurdles, how India managed to diversify exports in the face of US tariffs, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have how Trump influenced India's trade policy and goods trade, again very important for economy perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have hiding in UGC regulations, row is a deep fault line, social, ideological and political, again very important. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have signals from the India-Arab Delhi Declaration, again very important for international relations and diplomacy perspective. Then we have is WhatsApp reading user messages, what US lawsuit claims, again very important for law perspective. Then we have your next car may be expensive, blame the AI data center boom, again very important for economy perspective. Then we have proposal for banning entry of non-Hindus at Char Dham, questions it raises, again very important for society perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have would like infra projects to come up in all sectors, involve more private finance, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have FC bats for Discom privatization, debt cleanup via SPVs, again very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Israel reopens Gaza's Rafah border crossing with Egypt. Then we have US Justice official downplays chance of charges from Epstein files. Then we have from Puerto Rico to Tibet, Bad Bunny makes history, the Dalai Lama wins first. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.